Okay, so in this video we will going to learn that how to get backup location, alert location, and we list all the directories from the Oracle database on the OS console. Okay, so all this stuff we will going to do using some combination of commands without even logging inside the SQL Plus console. Okay, so let me start with the first that we will use echo command, then double quotes. So now in the first line we will mention the columns width. Okay, so for the column name we will mention name underscore call underscore plus show param. Show param. Then we will take the width of this column is 820. So now again the column width for the value underscore call underscore plus, then doing the same show param for AAT. Okay, so this column having more length, so that's why we are taking AAT. Now finally we will mention the command. Okay, so we will mention, we will type here show parameter db recovery file list. Okay, so db underscore recovery file list, then complete using the double quote, then pass it to the pipe, and we will going to pass it through the pipe in the SQL plus. Okay, so SQL plus escape character, then slash /sysdb, then again pass it to the grep command. Okay, finally we will filter out our desired content by the grep command. So use using grep command like grep. So now grep, then hyphen o. Hyphen o will be useful for only getting the desired filter output. Okay, then the graph class, using this class we will get the only the path of the particular directory. Okay, extract, then we will store all this information in the backup location.txt column file. Simple formatting. Okay, now using cat command we can display the file content of the backup log file. Now we can see that on the screen that we are getting the actual backup location. Okay, using the cat. So in this way we can use this echo command. So you can see that we are getting. So now if you want to go okay inside the backup location, you can use cd backtick cat to get cat backup location.txt. So you can use the backup location, so it will be helpful for that also. So not every time you need to get to the directory to cd using the directory by directory and going inside the directory, you can pwd directly. So you can the backup location here, and then from the in this way we can next move you can take that. Okay, so in this way we can do it. OS console. This is what we are getting. We have done it again for this. Now again we will take an example of like location for show parameter. For that also we will for diagnostic test command. You can see that alert log location of use the show. Again we will use the same command parameter, then pass it through the gap through the pipes, then pass it finally we will get the content from the grep command. Okay, so again as CTV of that, then pass the same command to the grep command and done again. Okay, then the graph, and by pressing enter you can get the output. Okay, you can. So now let's view the output. You can get the output. You can see on the screen that we are getting the diagnostic test. Okay, so in this way you can use the command for multiple outputs. So finally we will diagnostic test. Okay, so in this way you can use multiple test commands, this commands and not with the directory for the also all the directories. Let me show you one more which are being used. So let me list all the directories. Okay, so set line size to the 400 for that. Okay, and here first of all we will set the column size width for the directory path. Okay, then for AAT we will again use AAT here. Now finally we will path for select the directory path from the DBA directories. Okay. Now finally we will select DB underscore directories. Okay, done. Okay, so using this you can get the output. Again passing it to the SQL plus directories. Okay, as is DBA, then pass it to the grep command. Okay, and again then pass it to the SQL plus. So again graph. Okay, okay, done, and then pass it to the group, and then you can hit it. You can see on the screen that we are enlisted all the directories inside Oracle database. So guys, in this way we can do it. So it will be helpful for so you can see such kind of list output. Okay, so it will be very much efficient. So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. So guys, in this way we can use this command to get the backup locations as well as diagnostic directories location on the OS consoles. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you very much.